Big ideas start small. And the most important thing that I learned when I started my small content studio was to ask for help. I'm Victoria Jordan, and I'm a small business owner, an entrepreneur, a solopreneur, whatever you want to call it. And starting my business was one thing, helping it thrive is a whole other thing. Entrepreneurs, we have the dream and we have the drive, and we definitely have the determination. But now comes the real work, building a foundation that's going to last. That's what this series, Small Business Smarts, is about. In every video, we'll provide you with simple guidance, we'll have informative conversations with experts, and we'll share smart strategies to help small business owners move forward with confidence. Are you writing your first business plan? Managing finances for the first time? Are you ready to hire your dream team or explore how AI can help your small business do more? We've got you. And along the way, you'll learn how ADP can help you as you grow with payroll, HR, and compliance solutions that can be great for even very small businesses. Because running a business doesn't mean doing it alone, it means starting smart and getting good guidance when you need it. Welcome to Small Business Smarts.